So hello guys, so today I'm going to cook garlic buttered shrimp with lemon lime soda. So the butter in a hot non-stick pan. So and then you have to saute the garlic, lots of garlic actually, and then you have to mix it until it turns golden brown. So it takes a little bit of time. So then after that you have to um, add half a kilo of medium size shrimps. So and then uh, mix until it's slightly cooked already. So this is how it looks like right now. So after mixing it, then it turns out like this. So after that I will add a lemon lime soda instead of water so that it has a sweet taste on it, a little sweetness, and then I will add salt to taste as well. So I have to wait until it boils and simmer for 5 minutes until it dried out. And then so this is the result. Here's the lemon lime soda garlic buttered shrimp